This just came in. This is going to be more of a look at, if anything. I'm changing out some of my locks. And I got a bunch of the same type of lock with the same key, so it's easier to switch them out. Which is probably going to be a set per door, and I have 3 doors. So I'm going to open up one of them. Like I said, it's going to be more of a look at, if anything. They're all the same keys, same set, same everything. And I'll show you installed and everything and how they look. If you're interested in purchasing locks and you want to see how it looks, I'm showing it to you here. In the pictures on the website, on Amazon, really doesn't show you good pictures. So the video, I hope, does justice to what you're getting, lets you see what you're getting, and you get a good idea of what you're getting. So let me just play a description as I open it up and show you each piece. What's in here is the same as what's in the other 2 boxes. So showing you this is like showing you those also.
This is some info on item Grip Tight Tools ED03C 3 set of 3 satin stainless steel. Combo entry lock set doorknob and single cylinder. Deadbolt SC1 Keyway 18 keys included cost. $56.97. Purchased on Amazon's website. See below for details. Secure your doorway with this sleek combo lock. Each lock features an adjustable latch, single-cylinder deadbolt and switch style knob with simple and easy installation. If you order more than one combo lock set, each combo lock set will come with a different key, keyed differently. Deadbolt and entry lock in each individual box are keyed alike. Set of 3 standard re-keyable SC1 cylinder, includes 3 doorknob and 3 deadbolt, and each combo lock includes 18 SC1 keys. No need to cut additional keys. Includes 6 brass keys per set. All keyed alike. Deadbolt and entry lock open to the same key, and deadbolt has turning knob on the inside and key on the outside. Finish color is stainless steel, US 32D. This item Grip Tight Tools ED03C 3, set of 3, satin stainless steel, combo entry lock. Set doorknob and single cylinder deadbolt alike. SC1 Keyway with 18 keys included. Product description. Size name. Set of 3 style SC1. Secure your doorway with this sleek combo lock. Each lock features an adjustable latch, single-cylinder deadbolt and switch style knob with simple and easy installation. If you order more than one combo lock set, each combo lock set will come with a different key, keyed differently. Deadbolt and entry lock in each individual box are keyed alike with standard re-keyable SC1 cylinder. Includes 3 doorknob and 3 deadbolt and includes 18 SC1 keys, so no need to cut additional keys. The deadbolt and entry lock open to the same key, and deadbolt has turning knob on the inside and key on the outside. Finish color is stainless steel, US 32D, and covered under Grip Tight Tools 2-year limited manufacture. Product information. Size name. Set of 3 style SC1. Technical details. Manufacturer Grip Tight Tools. Part number ED03C 3. Item weight 7 pounds. Product dimensions 4x 10.5x 3.5 inches. Item model number ED03C 3. Size. Set of 3. Color satin stainless steel. Style SC1. Finish satin. Shape ball. Item package quantity 1 included components 3 knobs and 3 deadbolts. Batteries required? No. Technical specification installation manual PDF. Warranty PDF additional information. ASIN B06Y3SBXP4.
finished installing all the locks. I put several all of them. About them is that they all have the same key. So it's easy to open and close doors. Some may look at that as, you know, I shouldn't have the same key for all the locks, but it makes it so much easier. You know, to have the same key for different doorways within the home, or else, you know, you're fumbling with keys and you're looking for the right one. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks with the locks. I put them in and they're all working fine, no issues. They're nice looking. This one I just did the doorknob instead of the deadbolt. It came with 3 deadbolts and 3 doorknob locks, and I used them in different ways on different doors. This one just got a doorknob lock, no deadbolt. And it's nice to have one key for all the doors to get into the home. It works really well. I'm very happy with them. And I'm very happy with the purchase. Looks like they're gonna last a while. They look nice. They're not too bad. They were low price. And I think they're decent. They're not the top. They're not medicals, but they'll do the job. All right. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.